In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change label colors in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and keeping track of your to-do lists. One of its key features is the ability to label cards with colors, making it easier to visually categorize and prioritize your work. But did you know you can customize those label colors to better fit your needs? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of updating label colors in Trello, so you can make your boards even more personalized and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. From here, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred sign-in method. You can use options like Google, Microsoft, or simply your email. Select the method that works best for you, enter your login credentials, and then click Login to access your Trello workspace. Once you've logged into your Trello account, you'll land on your dashboard, which displays all your boards. From here, select the board where you want to update the label colors. Simply click on it to open the board and view its contents. Now, look for a card within one of the lists on your chosen board. When you find a card, click on it to open it and view the details. This is where you can edit and customize various elements, including the labels. Inside the card, locate the Labels section. This area is typically easy to spot and will show any labels currently assigned to the card. To begin, click on the Labels option. This will open the label selector where you can see all the labels available for that particular board. Find the label you want to update in the label selector. Once you've identified it, hover your mouse or cursor over the label. You'll notice that an edit option appears, often represented by a pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon to open the label editor. In the label editor, you'll see a color palette that allows you to choose a new color. Select a color from the palette, and you'll get a preview of how the label will look with that color. If you would rather remove the color entirely and use a text-only label, there's an option for that as well. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save to confirm the new label color. The label editor will close, and you can now see the updated label color applied to your card. Finally, close the card panel to return to your board and admire the changes you've made. And that's it. You've successfully updated the label colors in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.